We're gonna go on a ride. Ready? Go. Oh, buddy. Okay, let's go back. Okay, I gotta go. Right here. Go, buddy. Go.
Hurry before it's done.
What's done? It's not done how I say it's done.
Ew.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Bad. Okay, look, now look. Oh, I can't get it. Go away, buddy. Buddy, go away. This is the horse dog. Look at how big. This is the horse dog. The bell. Okay. I'm gonna see my pants. Oh my god, that's the horse dog.
Hey.
Grab on.
I'm gonna see my pants.
Go. Buddy, I'm telling you.
Let's go. I'm gonna see my pants. Just go.
I am telling you. Leave her alone. No, not telling you.
Don't excuse me. Don't excuse me. Let me see. Woo. Let's go very slow. No. Slow. No.
Selfie.
Yeah?
You going to
I just found it. Go away. I just found it.
Here. I'll go very slow.
He's taking my back. Oh my god, he's taking my back. No, go away. Somebody go away. Make him go away.
He's sniffing your butt.
Make him go away. Okay, go. Oh my god, he's gonna come here. Oh my god, he's gonna mirror. Oh my god. I think I'm dying. 1 minute. Okay, now I can go. Wait.
You're gonna go back.
I have a tape over your head.
Okay, let's go back. Oh my god, there he is. Go back. Oh my god, my wrist.
Buddy.
Oh my god, my wrist. Oh my god. It's been 3 minutes. Oh my god. Okay, I need to get off. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, my butt. Okay, let's go.
Oh, now my wrist is turning.
Oh my god. My foot. This is actually now the story about a dog who's trying to eat me. Oh my god. He's trying to eat me.
Are you sleeping over?
No.
Yay.
I'm sleeping over tonight. Oh my god, he's trying to eat me. Oh my god, he's trying to eat me.
I'll tell you.
This is the story of a dog who's trying to eat me.
If you're okay. No, the one over.